You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce these names and more character names from LOL, League of Legends. Stay tuned to learn more. Renata, Renata, or in American English, in the US it's usually said more as Renata, Renata, or Renata, Renata Glasc. So you can say it either Renata or Renata, Renata Glasc. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.